Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is the third video and the last video of 2017, so I hope you guys all had a good year. My year was okay. It could have been better, but hopefully next year it's a lot better. I have a lot of goals that I still want to meet for the new year, a lot of New Year's resolution. So yeah, anyways, today is going to be a get ready with me, whatever look I'm gonna do today for New Year's Eve. Happy New Year's Eve. Did I say that already? I don't know. But yeah, last video of 2017, so let's make it a good one. Let's pray to the makeup gods that my makeup is on point today. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna start off with the Too Faced Natural Love palette. This palette is so beautiful. So yeah, this is how it looks like inside. We're gonna go in with the black and the dark brown, and that's gonna go into my outer corner of my eye. We're just gonna slowly build this up. So what is you guys' New Year's resolution? Any goals you would like to meet? My New Year's resolution for this year was to lose weight and also save money and get a new car. I did not get a new car yet. Hopefully next year. I almost did, but I did not. And I did lose a very tiny weight. I only lost like 8-9 pounds, and right now I am like at like the same weight for like the past month, which is good, which is better than not losing any. Which is better than not gaining any, but it's not as good as to lose more. But yeah, and then saving money, it was really hard to save money during the holidays, so right now I don't really have anything saved up. I did have a little bit saved up for my birthday, but because of certain situations, my birthday trip came a little bit earlier. So, it was okay. It would have been nicer to actually, like, have the trip on my birthday week. But things happen, and as long as I still got to go. If you didn't see the vlog yet, it's on my channel. My early birthday trip vlog. But yeah, I'm using the same dark brown Makeup and Chill, and I'm mixing it with honey butter. It's just like a light brown color. And just using that to blend out the black. So this is what we have so far. Now what I want to do is cut my crease. Okay, I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Conceal in the shade 30 Light Medium. I'm going to take some in, my cap just fell. I'm going to take some on the back of my hand and just on like a flat brush. I'm going to take some of that and we're going to go ahead and cut it. And then I'm going to blend right between the black and the concealer with my finger. Spotlight. Just going to set it with this color. I am going to take the NYX Glitter Face and Body Glitter in the shade Crystal, GLI06 Crystal. This is the one that looks like this. It's very holographic. We're going to take some glitter glue. This one is the NYX Glitter Primer. And I'm going to take a small angled brush like this. I'm gonna take some on the back of my hand. Okay, so next I'm gonna take some tape, and this is gonna be for my eyeliner. We're just gonna do a very simple eyeliner with eyeshadow, just some black eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take like a very small flat brush like this one, and the same black that we used from the Too Faced palette. Since we already have black eyeshadow, this would just blend in easily. I still want to have like that line, you know? I'm gonna go a little past the eyeshadow. Okay, so now that my face is done, we're gonna finish the eyes. I'm gonna take the same black as earlier, and we're gonna do our bottom lash line. Keeping it as close as possible to my waterline, and just spread on my lash line. Line my top and bottom waterline with Ciate Kohl liner. The shade Fairy Tale right here in the Too Faced palette. It's very pretty, like sparkly gold color. I'm gonna go in with my It Cosmetics Superhero mascara, and coat my bottom lashes. Alright, so this is the completed eye makeup. Very simple and very easy. Very simple with some glitter, and then these are the same lashes that I wore yesterday. I will leave a link of it down below. So now onto lipstick. I am going to be very festive and wear red on my lips. This one is by Stila in the shade Fiery. So we're gonna pop this on. I really like Stila's lipsticks because they're so velvety and pretty. Feels so good on the lips. Okay, so here is the red lips. 2 more steps to go. We're gonna set the face with some All Nighter by Urban Decay. This has to last all night. Okay. And then one more step before this dries down completely is to re-highlight. Okay? We're going to take the shade Eclipse in the Aurora palette by Anastasia. So while it's still wet, I'm gonna highlight again so it could be super glowy. A little bit on my forehead, and then I'm gonna highlight my brow bone again. Alright, okay, so this is my New Year's Eve look. My hair is just, this is second day hair. This is yesterday's hair, and I just brushed it out. And it's just, I don't even know, like, it's just hella messy or something. But yeah, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Happy New Year to every single one of you guys. I hope 2018 is better for everybody. We've lost some this year, but we've also gained a lot. And I hope you guys gain a lot more next year. And until my next video in the new year, love you guys and peace out.